Oh, Tanner, you don't even make money anymore. You don't even drop ship. Alright, so it's a few hours later now. I'm just recording this little clip right here to add into this video. The store is now at 4,000 for the day. So it's pretty solid. The store is brand new, just started today. When I just showed that first clip at the beginning of the video, that was a few hours ago today. But if you want me to make a video exposing the store that's doing that the first day, then drop a like on this video and maybe I'll do it. We'll see. Drop a like right now if you want me to do that. But now let's get back in this video. So recently there's been a lot of controversy of people coming after me and my friends, Hayden, and all these other people that are doing e-commerce dropshipping and have started personal branding. There's people coming after us, you know, trying to expose us for not making money dropshipping, for not actually doing anything except for selling courses and making money. But for those of you that actually follow me and know me, you know I don't even have public links for my course. I'm sure you can find it if you just search up some things. But I never have the link, you know, full time out on all my YouTube videos and try to sell it and stuff like that. I keep it pretty exclusive. If I wanted to market it all the time, then I would. But I don't, because I believe that, you know, for the methods that I provide in that course, you know, I don't want to allow thousands and thousands of people to join that. You know, you get money from that, but I'm not doing it all for the money. You know, my bigger vision for my course and my YouTube videos is purpose. I have a vision for helping other people make money. And that's why I created this YouTube channel. And that's why I created the dropshipping course. You know, there's all kinds of sides to personal branding. And from this angle, I'm sort of in this entrepreneurship education kind of level where I'm trying to help others make money. You know, at the same time, I'm putting all my time and effort into this. So if I make a course, of course, I'm going to charge money for it. Because, you know, if I gave it out for free, you know, not as many people would take it seriously, just like my YouTube video. You know, a lot of people don't take it seriously, but if I put all my YouTube videos into a course, then I'm sure I could sell it to people. But basically, this is going to be a response to sort of me trying to clear things up with whoever's trying to come at me or trying to expose me or anything like that for not making money, for not dropshipping, for being a scammer and stuff like that. I don't know what you guys are talking about. I would love to, you know, show you guys all these documents, all this making money stuff, but you know, that's something I'm not about. I don't like showing you guys all my money, everything I'm making, all my income. You know, I tell you guys my income streams, what I make money from, how I do it, but I never actually show you guys my numbers. And for a lot of people, that causes them to be skeptical of me and what I'm doing and sort of, you know, basically just my whole personal brand as a whole. So I threw that little clip in the beginning of the dropshipping store, and you know, there's a little bit of money. But the truth is, you know, dropshipping has been sort of slow lately. I know it seems like a lot to most of you guys, but for me, I have a lot bigger goals, a lot bigger visions, and things that I want to accomplish with my e-commerce stores, dropshipping, and all that kind of stuff. For the past month or so, it's been sort of rough trying to create a long-term dropshipping store, because recently I've been trying to create a long-term store just so I can have something that has continuous income and I can just continue to build it and bring in customers and, you know, just market a lot in the back end. Because the things that I've been focusing on previously, and then still a little bit now, is short-term stores. So short-term stores where, you know, I make quick 20, 30, 40 grand in a week or whatever, but then it doesn't last because competition comes in or the product is just hot at the moment and I can sell it really quick. You know, that's all good. But in the long run, I would rather have a store where I have customers coming back, repeat customers, you know, people coming in just to buy more and more. And the way you actually create a successful long-term store actually has to be somewhat like a general store, because all these fast-paced stores I create are very niche down and, you know, it's very compressed into a few products, if that. So back to what I was saying about the first thing where I don't want to show you guys my money, is just because some people think it's showing off, some people love to see that, but then again, I also don't want to be showing you exactly what I'm making just because it's something that's sort of private. I don't tell my family exactly what I make. I don't want to tell you guys exactly what I make. It's nothing personal. I'm still providing this content for you, helping you guys, showing you guys, but I still have to keep my credibility up there. That's why I'm talking to you guys right now with this video. So the second reason of why I'm not actually showing my numbers is just because I don't want to feed into this negative energy of these people coming after me and my friends trying to expose us or whatever. You know, I don't want to feed into that negative energy because they're coming after me. And if I put my time and my energy into that negative source, then it's just going to be a big cycle where they're coming back at me, coming back at my friends. You know, I'm responding to them, but I'm providing this energy to them and they're getting the attention. That's what they want. These people trying to expose us on YouTube with videos, you know, they're getting attention. That's what they want. They want views, they want money, they want that sort of attention and feeling of gratitude of, oh, we got them, we exposed them, whatever. So, you know, there's a few people out there doing it right now. I don't know all the exact ones that have said something about me, but I know a few of my friends have been affected by this. I don't know actually how affected they are, but I've just seen that these people are calling them out and stuff like that. So I want to clear things up. You know, why would I put in my energy to help these people get more attention, and, you know, it would just make them feel better, help them. You know, I like to keep things clear. I don't like to have beef with anybody, but at the same time, you know, you're always going to have people coming at you as haters or people that don't believe you or people that don't trust you, and that's just the way life goes, especially with business. So that's sort of one thing that occurs as an entrepreneur. You're always going to have people coming at you, especially as a personal branding person, someone that puts herself out there, someone that talks about what they're thinking, talks about what they do with their life, how they make money, all that kind of stuff. There's always going to be some kind of controversy, some kind of difference in mind between these certain people that watch your videos and people that like you and people that don't like you. You're always going to have people that don't like you that watch your videos, but at the same time, that's sort of a good thing. You're getting views off of that, and you know, you're captivating their attention, but at the same time, it's not the exact people that you want to watch your videos and support you. So it's these people that don't really like you. They have this negative energy, this negative vibe, and then, you know, most of the time they don't even have a real reason of not liking you. They just don't like you, whether they're jealous for where you are at, or they just overall don't like the way you look, they don't like the way you talk, whatever. You know, there's so many minuscule reasons. And the thing I feel like a lot of us do as humans, even me, is we judge people too hard based on, you know, quick perceptions. Let's say we see this person on the street, oh, they're definitely annoying, oh, they're definitely weird, or stuff like that. You know, we all judge people like that. On the space here online where I put myself out there on Instagram and YouTube, and I'm making videos and posting pictures and stuff like that, you know, you get a lot of people that create perceptions of you before they even really start to understand you, of who you are. So for me, I'm 17 years old, I've been a serial entrepreneur, you know, I don't go out and party and stuff like that. I stay home, I work all the time, I'm trying to support myself. I want to support my family in the future. I want to, you know, do all these things. I have all these financial goals, all these materialistic goals, all these things that I want to do in my life. And without actually, you know, putting my time and energy into things that help build me, help me reach towards those goals, you know, it's not going to end up well for me, because you have to think positive of only what you want to do and how you're going to get there. You know, you have these visions, you want to start a YouTube channel, you want to start helping people, then do it. You know, you're going to have so many people. I have comments every single day, people that say something about me or whatever, just by, you know, one video of looking at me. A lot of people see me from my video that said how I made 20K in a day dropshipping at 16 years old. I uploaded, that was one of my first videos actually. It was pretty early on last year. And that did really well, has over 500,000 views, and a lot of people will comment on that because it comes up in their suggested or whatever, and they're just like, who is this kid? This kid's annoying, he's lying, he doesn't actually make money, and all this stuff. So there's tons of things that go behind actually, you know, being a personal branding entrepreneur, is because a lot of people don't believe you. They believe you're a scam just because whether you're selling a course or you're saying you make this money, people just aren't going to believe you sometimes. So sometimes you just need to make sure that when these people watch you, you need to make sure that you captivate their attention and you truly give out your actual personality so that people understand you and they have a reason to either like you or don't like you. You know, if someone has a valid reason for not liking me, I don't care, whatever. But when people say something that's incorrect and it just affects me in a negative way, you know, I don't like that. I like to clear things up. I like to make things clear where I don't have to worry about what they think, because I put myself out there in a genuine way and people can understand that. But the thing with being online, most people don't understand it. I guarantee you 90% of all the people that hate on me online, if I was to meet them in person, talk to them about whatever they don't like about me, we would clear it up in less than 5 minutes, just because, you know, I'm good at talking to these people and letting them know, like, actually what's up, you know, who I am and what I'm doing and my purpose. A lot of people don't understand that, but it sort of just happens in life. You got to be able to trust the process and make sure that others don't affect you and what you're doing in life. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you liked it, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.